Hi, I'm Jane. Welcome back. I just got back from a really fun KSL drive that said, come get these free plants. Hi, Lindsay.
Give a like and subscribe.
Oh, yes. Hi, welcome back. Today we are propagating hibiscus bush. So I just barely got several hardy hibiscus bushes from someone's yard. And so I'm going to try to save some of the foliage. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what I have here. Here are some of the roots that I got from someone's yard, and I stuck them in water for the next day. And I've also taken and made some cuttings from it. So let me show you how to do this. These roots will go into the ground pretty shortly. I have some, these are bleeding hearts, hardy hibiscus. I have a few strawberries in there, but I'm super excited for the dark foliage ones. So what I did is I put a whole bunch of the foliage that I had to cut down into buckets of water. This side is faring pretty well. Anything that I'm not needing will go into the compost. And then this whole section is starting to wilt pretty good. But I was hoping to be able to save some of this foliage. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So what I do is I'm going to come in here and just cut the part off that I feel like is wilting too much. Put that in the compost. And then I'm left with a stem. And I'm going to take off most of the leaves. And then I'll leave just a few of the top leaves and put it in water. So do you see? Now I'm going to strip down every one of these to see how many I can get. And then I'll bring you along to plant all those. So I'm pretty lucky with this long stem. It already has roots on it. Okay, hopefully this makes a lot more sense. I'm going to get two cuttings out of this. So right here, I'm going to go under a leaf node. Okay, where Lindsay's standing is where I'm going to put dark foliage hardy hibiscus, because it needs a lot of dark right here. Look at our mountains, aren't they beautiful? So I'm going to pull out some of these orange daylilies and some yellow iris, and I'll just move those to a different spot and put the dark foliage here. So I think I actually want it right here. So I'm going to take some of these really tall orange daylilies and I'm going to move them to this dry spot over here that could use some more color. And we're going to put the dark foliage here. I just got my shovel. I'm going to go under some of this stuff. And the iris behind it are the bright yellow, which I love. So I'll just move those to a different spot in my yard too. Okay, get us a good section so we can put a dark root in there. Like I said, this is going to be simple enough. We're just going to put it here, and I will dig a hole, put that in, water it real good. Hello, I'm going to put my dark foliage hardy hibiscus right here. So come on, Ethan. I'm going to take out some of these really pretty orange daylilies and move them to a different spot. And the iris back here are bright yellow. I really need some dark foliage. That made a good hole. Just a little more. Take out some of these iris. These are the bright yellow iris. I love them.
Remember?
I brought my cart full of plants over here on this side. This section gets a lot of shade, and then we have a section over here that gets lots of sun that the lilies are able to. So I'm going to put hardy hibiscus here, and then I'm going to put some bleeding hearts over there. And then over here by Lindsay, hi babe, we are making a chicken coop. So we already had the chicken coop, we're just repairing a little bit of it. And then it's going to go back here. Got a lot to do. Hello, we're going to put this hardy hibiscus root in this spot right here. So Lindsay's helping me. So all you do is you just stick it in a hole and then you backfill. Super simple. This section gets pretty good sun.
It's not super simple. It's easy.
Oh, good. And then I'll probably cover it with some wood chip mulch and some rabbit bedding.
Also known as rabbit poop. Which they help a lot of your garden.
You like that water patch?